You have edited a cool video with a free editor that adds a logo, but the source footage that you have made is now lost? In this case, you can clean some of it for the keeping by simply removing a logo. It's quite easy with the right tool, but remember that removing copyright marks is illegal in other cases. So, let's see how to remove logos from video with Clipify, an easy-to-use video editor. Let's begin. Launch the application. Choose New Project, then Blank Project. Next, import your video files by either selecting the Add Videos and Photos option or simply dragging and dropping the files into the program. The quickest way to remove a logo is to crop it out. To do so, select the Crop tool on the toolbar and choose the desired aspect ratio from the drop-down menu. Drag the highlighted area to crop the logo. When done, export the video in the desired format. That's how you can remove logos from videos. Try Clipify now to easily edit your videos.